Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to delete Upwork account permanently. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar, type in upwork.com and log in to your Upwork account using your user credentials. After you log in, you are going to see this page. On this page, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. When you click on your profile icon, you will see a drop-down menu. Under this menu, select Account Settings option. Now, click on the Contact Info option just under User Settings and you'll be navigated to this page. Now on this page, you will see your account information just right here. Under your account information, you will see a small Close My Account link. So, click on this text in red that says Close My Account. Now, choose why are you closing your account. So you can choose any reason for your account closing and click on Close Account. When you click on Close Account, you will have successfully closed your Upwork account. In some cases, you'll have to re-enter your password and you'll have successfully closed your Upwork account. So that's how you can close an Upwork account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.